It's like applesauce. Hi, my name is Sierra. And my name is Brent. And today we're going to be making some Appalachian snow cream. You want to get clean snow and obviously do not pick up any yellow snow. First thing you're going to need is 1 cup of sugar. Then you're going to pour it in. And then you're going to mix it. While he's mixing it, we're going to add 1 cup of milk. Then we're going to keep on mixing it. Now we're going to need 1 pinch of salt. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. We're going to have to mix it really good for it to taste good. Now we're going to taste it. Oh, I can't wait. That's really good. It just tastes like vanilla ice cream, that's it. It's vanilla ice cream. Great job. And that's how you make Appalachian snow cream. Try it yourself. It's so tasty.
This has been a production of West Virginia Public Broadcasting.